Yo, what's good, PIP N DIP family? Today I'm going to be showing you guys the real highs and real lows that we always talk about in the webinars and the mentorships and everything, because I think this is like the most important part of trading and how to avoid essentially all the nonsense. So when we're taught trading, you know, we're taught, okay, an uptrend is just like this, right? And a downtrend is just simply like this. Like it just looks really clean, pulls back, and keeps going lower. But in reality, we understand that it never looks this clean. And it always looks something more like this, right? You know, essentially just something like this. And what a lot of people don't understand is that there's a way to just get rid of all this extra noise in the middle and focus on like what actually is important within the trading area. And all this is just considered a trading range that's designed to throw us off. So let's get right into it. So, you know, when I'm on the chart, I usually hop on at 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, but let's just bring this back a little bit. So right now in this situation, we just traded under this candle, which makes my real high up here, and we're going to make this green. And then my real low would be right here. Okay, now everything in the middle is considered a trading range, and we're going to make this light blue. So these trading ranges are just essentially designed to throw you off. You can have anything happening here, but as long as you don't break the bottom or the top, it means absolutely nothing. At least that's the way I trade. So this is the way I see it, right? Here I played out. Now we broke under. And before we broke under, we pulled back to this level. So my new high is going to go here. I'm just going to wait for one pullback candle to put my new low. So my new low is right here, and my trading range gets changed to this area. And anything that happens in the middle, I don't care about. I only care about the actual breaks of the trading range. So now we broke above. This was the deepest we pulled back to within there. That's my new low. All right, let's keep doing this. Whatever's going on, I don't care. I don't care. Now we break above. This will become my new high. Or actually, I'm going to wait for one pullback candle just so I don't keep moving it. Oof. Let me bring that back to right here. Okay. You can see right there. This will be moved up. And now my new low is right here because that's the deepest part we pulled into during that trading range. Here we go. New low gets moved to here. And then I'm going to wait for my pullback candle to put my new high. There it is. This is now my trading range here. We pulled back to this area. So if we push above, yeah, there we go. So now our new low is right here. And our new high will be once we get this pullback candle. Okay, there we go. Now we broke under. Our new high is over here. This is where we pulled back within the range. I'm going to wait for a new low. I mean a pullback candle. All right, there we go. So now this is my low. That's my high. And as you can see, we keep pushing up. It's going to show like the entire Asian session essentially into where I would get my trade entry. There we go. So we're pushing above. New low comes down to here. Break above again. Oh, well, we need to wait for the pullback candle. So there we go. So now that's my high. Now we've broken above. Gonna move this range up. And now my new low is right here. Waiting on the pullback candle. There we go. Go break above again. Pull up to here. Move this up. And you can just keep doing this, guys. And so essentially the whole idea behind this is when you finally reach outside of Asian session, you want to identify your real low and your real high. Okay, so now we've broken above this. We're gonna wait on a pullback candle. See, we're still breaking above. All right, there we go. This is gonna be our real low. This is gonna be our real high. And everything in the middle is a trading range. And now we're gonna wait for a break of structure. And now that we're outside of Asian session, we broke above the high. We're gonna wait for just this break of the break of structure, which would have to be on the low, because now we're looking for sells. Okay, so now we have that break of structure right there. And now we can find our limit somewhere within here. As we know, template, purple. Look on like the 2 minute. This one looks good. Check the 3 minute. That one looks fine as well. I think we're just gonna rock with the 2 minute. Set our shorts. You know, short position. There we go. And then just drop this. This is actually a trade that we had called. The TP ran way deeper, but you guys can see right there we get tapped in. And boom, price is just melting from there. So it's as simple as that, guys. Make sure that you guys are always identifying your real highs and your real lows when you're trading, so that way you can avoid getting stopped out on the wrong orders, like finding the wrong order blocks and everything. So this is the biggest tool I use when I'm trading in order to find the right order blocks. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll leave the link to our free Telegram and our free Discord in the chat. In the description. Make sure you guys like, comment, follow, and subscribe.